Welcome to the online showroom here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Today we're happy to present this 2016 Ram 1500 regular cab 4x4 with the Express package. With the Express package, you get the factory dual exhaust and the 20-inch black rims. The Express package also gets you factory fog lamps, and the front and rear bumpers are also painted to match in the black. This 2016 Ram 1500 Express 4x4 is nicely equipped. It's got keyless remote, power windows, power locks, and Uconnect hands-free so you can make those calls without grabbing your phone. This truck was also ordered with a factory backup camera, along with the trailer brake controller. Makes it easy to control whatever's behind you when you're towing a load. It also comes with electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. This 16 Ram Express 4x4 also has factory trailer tow with both 4 and 7 prong wiring and a spray and box liner. This 2016 Ram 1500 Express 4x4 also has transferable factory extended warranty at no charge to you. At Miracle Truck and Car Company, we offer low rate financing with extended terms. It doesn't matter if it's raining outside. You can view any of our vehicles from the comfort of our indoor showroom. We're located on the corner of Highway 4 and Alberni Highway in the beautiful Qualicum Beach, Coombs area in the Coombs Country Junction. Just look for the Miracle Truck and Car Company. Thanks for watching this video.